Hello everyone, my name is Sushma. I am studying in MCOM 3rd Sem from ASS Commerce College of Gadag. My topic is Characteristics and Components of System, guided by Professor Ishwar sir. So let's start. Introduction of a system. The term system is derived from the Greek word systema, which means an organized relationship among functioning units or components. A system exists because it is designed to achieve one or more objectives. We came into the daily contact with the transportation system, the telephone system, accounting system, the production system, the educational system, and currently a computer system. We shall discuss about the computer system. So meaning of system: it is a group of one or two more interrelated components or subsystems that serve a common purpose. A system is a group of interrelated components working together toward a common goal by accepting the inputs and producing outputs in an organized transformation processes. So next you show the all systems. In many more systems are there. So next, characteristics of system. First one is a objective oriented, second one is a components, and third one is a interaction, fourth one is a interdependency, and lastly stability. So let's start. We discussed about the first one, objective oriented. Every system has a certain objectives and goals. This refers to a system being designed with specific goals or objectives in mind. Every component and interaction within the system should ultimately contribute towards achieving these objectives. So next one, second one is a components. Main system has a several subsystems or models or more components. Systems are composed of various parts or components that work together to fulfill the system's objectives. These components can be physical hardware, software, or conceptual elements. So, next one is a interaction. It always under the interaction with systems or subsystems. Components within a system interact with each other in a various ways. These interactions can include communication, data exchange, feedback loops, collaborative processes, all aimed at achieving the system's objectives. So next one is a interdependency. System is interdependent. Output of a one system will be input for other system. So it is called as a interdependence to each other. So the components of a system often rely on each other in interconnected ways. Changes to one component can have effects on other components, highlighting the interdependency within the system. So, last one is a stability. System persist over a period of time. A stable system is a one that can maintain its functionality and achieve its objectives even in the face of disturbances or changes. Stability in a system can be achieved through robust design, redundancy, feedback mechanism, or adoption to changing conditions. So next one is a components of system. You see the draw components of system. Let's we start discuss. Input. Input is the data that enters the system for processing. So next step is processing. It involves the transformation and alteration of changes of a input into the output. So next, output. Input when processed and produces the desired output. Next is a whole system is this inputs and processing output is all is controlled by the system. It guides the system and decide the sequences of operations. Example, in organization management act has a controlling components. All systems and all components are controlled by the system. So next is a feedback. Output is compared with standard. These processes is feedback. So output is compared with standard. This process is called as a feedback. So next one is a environment. The area in which system operates is a environment of the system. Depending on the system types and environment changes accordingly. So last is a boundaries and interface. Every system has its boundary, that is the limits that identify the components and procedures and relationship interface connect the various components of the system. Let me show the diagram. So input is a data to enter the system. So it is a processing and changes in the processing. Next is a it gives the desired output of the result. It compared with the standards give the positive feedback. Thank you.